Hello everyone, and welcome to this training session. Today we're going to learn a very important and commonly used workflow, how to insert an AutoCAD drawing into a Revit project. Importing DWG files can help you collaborate with other disciplines, use existing CAD details, or trace over 2D geometry to start modeling in Revit. So let's begin. First, open your Revit project and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here, you'll see two main options, Import CAD and Link CAD. In most cases, I recommend using Link CAD to avoid making your Revit file too heavy. Now, click on Link CAD and choose your DWG file from your computer. In the dialog box, make sure to select the correct options. Colors, you can choose Invert, Preserve, or Black and White. Layers, you can select all layers or just specific ones. Import units. Make sure to match the units of the DWG file, meters, millimeters, inches, etc. Positioning, set it to auto, center to center, auto origin to origin, or manual depending on your workflow. Once you're ready, click OK, and the DWG will appear in your current view. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the correct level and the visibility settings allow it to be shown. Finally, always remember, linked DWG files should be cleaned and optimized in AutoCAD before bringing them into Revit. That's it. You've now successfully linked an AutoCAD file into Revit.